Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Now we're making muffins. Today we're making chocolate muffins. Friends, don't remember to wash your hands before you make stuff. Make the ingredients appear. Just watch. Here's some muffin mix. Here's some eggs, and here's a cup of milk, and here's some oil. This is all the ingredients we need for the muffins. Now we're gonna make the mixing bowl here. Now the beer, I told you. The muffin mix in the bowl. It smells so yummy. Now we have to put the oil into the milk now. Now we're gonna add the eggs. Now I have to mix it lightly. Wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Now we have to mix it all together. It's done. We're gonna make the muffin toys appear.
Go.
Now, I told you that the toys are gonna appear. I'm gonna put the muffin bowls inside. Now we're gonna put in the mix in the muffin cups. Now here we go, it's all done. Now it's ready to go in the oven.